Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. It's been a while, how have you been? It is great to see you again. PowerToys is launched since Windows 95 to give power users improved productivity and customization features. But it wasn't seen again until 2019, when the newest flavor of PowerToys was made available for Windows 10. With a list of utilities, PowerToys is designed to enhance and improve Windows 10. Such as Fancy Zones toy creates layouts to help better position windows for multitasking. The File Explorer Preview toy enables the user to preview more advanced types of files. Image Resizer toy helps to modify the size and resolution of images. Keyboard Manager toy remaps certain keys. Power Rename toy renames multiple files in one shot. Let's check out each toy within the next few videos to see how the toy can ease and expand your use of Windows 10. So for today, let us check out how to install this powerful power toy. Let's start now. First, download the PowerToys from GitHub. I will share the download link in the video description. Click this link to download the installer. Save the file anywhere that's convenient to you to run later. Run the file once the file is downloaded complete. In the PowerToys setup screen, click the Next button to proceed. Then click Next to. In this screen, there are two options, we just leave it as default. And then, click the Next button again. At last, click the Install button to start the installation. Once installation is complete, click the Finish button. PowerToys require Windows Explorer to restart. Just click the Yes button to restart the Windows Explorer. Let's start the PowerToys. PowerToys providing many customization features to improve productivity, such as Fancy Zones, File Explorer Preview, Keyboard Manager, etc. I will share with you one by one in the next video. Alright, let's back to the configuration. Majority feature of PowerToys required administrator right. So let's click the Restart as Administrator button to run the PowerToys as administrator. Now, the PowerToys is run as administrator. And lastly, turn on the Always Run as Administrator option. This is to enable the PowerToys as always run as administrator. Hooray, the PowerToys is ready to use now. We end here today. If you found my video is helping, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.